Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now we have finished the first chapter. We move to the second chapter. Is matter around us pure? As we have already discussed about the properties, physical and chemical properties of matter, and I have given you two flow chart. According to that, you know that matter is anything that occupy space. Clear? So afterwards, atom is formed. So atom is the smallest unit of matter, right? It is the smallest unit of matter. We cannot divide, we cannot see by the naked eye. It is indivisible and invisible. Afterwards, when the group of atoms bonded together, then they form molecules, right? As we have discussed the flow chart, now come to the point. Here is the term solution. This chapter mainly based on the solutions. So we will discuss the first solution. What is solution? Suppose this is a beaker, right? We pour 250 ml water, right? And in this 2 or maybe 4 spoons of salt I pour, and it will mix completely. I stir it properly. Then this mixture will be homogeneous, right? Why? The property constitute particles of both particles are mixed together and they will mix well, so that's why they are homogeneous mixture. So homogeneous mixture, right? The definition of solution is, before that I am going to explain. This 2-4 spoons of salt I have taken. This is in less ratio, correct? And 250 ml of water, of course, it is in large quantity. There are two terms, solute and solvent, right? Amount of substance that is present in less ratio, that is called solute. As we have taken salt is the example of solute, right? And solvent, amount of substance which is present in large ratio, or you can say large quantity. So this is the definition of solution. A homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent is called solution. Solution is having a further types, right? First is true solution, another suspension solution, then colloidal solution. True solutions are homogeneous mixture. As we are taking the chemicals in the chemistry lab, they all are true solutions because we identify from the color, right? If chemicals are present, they give only single presence of color, as we have a blue color, right? So we cannot identify from the color that how many chemicals, atoms, molecules are combined together and they form that chemical. Similarly, these all are called true solutions. Like boric acid is present in we are using a prickly heel powder, right? So we cannot distinguish the constituent particles which are present in a single compound, but there are actually different compounds, but they give the same properties, so that's why they are the true solutions. They mix on stirring or without stirring, they mix well, so they are called true solutions, right? Suspension solution, as we take the beaker and we have taken 250 ml water and we pour some sand into it, definitely it will mix. It will not mix at all. Either you stir, either you grind, right? So सस्पेंशन सोल्यूशन मीन्स सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकल. सस्पेंशन मीन्स शक की गुंजाइश, मीन्स कुछ ऐसी पार्टिकल्स हमने डाले हैं जो बीच में प्रेजेंट है और हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं और इसकी प्रेजेंस की वजह से, सैंड की प्रेजेंस की वजह से the properties of water is not changed at all. You observe after mixing the sand that water remains same. करते हो ना ऑब्जर्व? तो सैंड मिक्स करने पे, पानी पे इसका रंग बिल्कुल नहीं चेंज होगा. इन केस ऑफ मडी वाटर, इफ यू मिक्स मड और अ soil into the water, it will mix completely, right? But उसके that muddy water is an example of both true and suspension, because in that case properties are totally changed. पानी का जो कलर है बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाता है जब मिट्टी डालते हैं, एंड वो मिक्स हो जाता है, इसलिए ट्रू सोल्यूशन बनाता है क्योंकि उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज सेम होती हैं, राइट? बट ऑन द सेम केस, इन द सेम केस सस्पेंशन सोल्यूशन क्यों कहलाता है मडी वाटर? बिकॉज कंप्लीटली मिक्स नहीं होता है. दैट कंटेन्स डस्ट, डर्ट, सिल्ट. सो प्रेजेंस ऑफ दैट डस्ट पार्टिकल्स मीन्स दे आर लाइंग एट द बॉटम ऑफ दैट कंटेनर, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड सस्पेंशन सोल्यूशन. मीन्स उसमें पार्टिकल्स रह जाते हैं उस कंटेनर के नीचे, तो इसलिए सस्पेंड करता रहता है वो सोल्यूशन में मिक्स होने के बावजूद भी.